many changes that impact the basic operation of ProPresenter, so we'll start with an overview of the interface in ProPresenter 7. The first major change you'll notice is the dark mode color scheme. You'll also notice that the layout of the main program window has changed with editing panels on the left and output controls on the right. Starting on the left-hand side, the presentation and playlist libraries are located in this sidebar. To view the contents of either library or playlist, just click on the one you want to view. All machines have a default library where newly created presentations are stored. Select default, then below, the item list will show everything in that library. The same thing happens when you select a playlist to view, however, it will only show items that are in that playlist. Moving into the center section of the screen, this will display a preview of the presentation selected from the left-hand side library or playlist panel. In the center section, you can see the exact preview of what the presentation will look like as a default. If the presentation you're using has text elements, you can change the preview as the operator so it's easier to view. This will not have any impact on the output of the presentation. There are a few different ways to view the presentation: grid view, easy view, or table view. Grid view and table view allow you to adjust the size of the thumbnails, while easy view gives you more control of the text in each thumbnail preview. When you're selected in easy view, click this icon and a text properties window will appear. Each operator can change these settings to make the preview work best for them. This only works with presentations that are mostly text and use images as backgrounds only. Most operators will not use the media panel, however, it lives in the center section as well. This panel can be turned on or off by pressing the media button in the right-hand corner. This panel operates in a similar way to the library and playlist panel. In most cases, this panel can be turned off, especially in kids' spaces. Let's look at the final panel of the main interface. The right-hand side is now where the output controls are, as well as audio playlists and controls. The top of this panel has the output preview, layer control, output toggles, and live playback tracking bar. These will be explained further in another training. The lower half of the panel is the audio library, which operates just like the main library and playlist section on the left panel. This panel will not be used in kids' spaces.